In this video, I will show you how to add tables in WooCommerce product description. First of all, open the WordPress website. On the home page, take your mouse on the Products option from the menu bar and click on All Products. Your products will appear at the right side. Select the product in which you want to add the table. On the next page, you can see that here's no option to add table directly in the description. To add the table, take your mouse on the Plugins option from the menu bar and click on Add New Plugin. Now on the next page, click on the search bar at the right side and search Table. You will see Table Press here. Click on Install Now and then click on Activate. After that, you will be redirected to the app. Click on Skip and select the Add New option from the top. Now here, enter your table name. Then add some suitable description. After that, enter the number of rows and columns in these two fields. Then click on Add Table, and the table will be created. Now scroll down and fill the table according to your requirement. Here you can also insert link, add image in the fields of table. To insert the image, click on Insert Image option. Select the image and click on Insert into Table. The image will be added. Once you are all done, scroll down and click on Save Changes. Next, what you have to do is to copy this table's short code and paste it in your product's description. Now scroll up and copy the short code of your table. Then take your mouse to the Products option from the menu bar and click on All Products. Here, click on the product in which you want to add the table. Edit Product page will appear. Scroll down and paste the copied short code of the table in the product description. And if you want the table in the short description too, then also paste it here in the product short description section. After that, scroll up and click on the Update option. Then click on Preview changes to view your table.